Hi there. I just wanted to go through something as regards to what I talked about previously in another video, and that was when I talked about copying or using a trimmer or copy cutter for routering. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and explain a little bit what I'm using for this process of making the legs. We have here a router cutter or a router bit. What's so special about these ones is they've got a bearing that spins around, and what it does, it's it's in perfect alignment with the knife or the blade or the cutting piece on the router cutter. That means that it will cut perfect parallel in line to that bearing. Okay, so anything on one side will be okay, and anything on the other side will get removed by the cutting action itself. Now you've got this one here with the bearing cutter on top. You've also got router cutters with a bearing underneath, and you've also got some router cutters with two bearings on, one on the bottom, one on the top. And you've also got more advanced router cutters that have not only got two bearings on, but have also got like spiral cutters. So they're very effective at slicing off and leaving the quality of that material very fine and pristine. Now what I like about these particular cutters is that you can trim back and use it for your pattern making or for your production. Now what I have here a straight edge piece of wood, which is quite thick, and it's not too thick, but it will allow the wheel or the bearing to run along that quite happily. And what you do, you line it up with the line that you want to trim up nice and tidy. You fix it, screws, pins, double-sided tape, whatever way you need to fix that onto there. Right now I'm making a template, and then you would run your router cutter over the top of this, and it would trim that all off back to this particular wooden edge here. Okay, now I'll be using this in a router table. I won't be doing it actually by hand or by using a router. It's better to put it into a table. One thing you do need to watch out for is that the edge that you're creating, or the edge that you've got to create the straight edge, is actually straight and not warped or distorted. Okay, so I wanted to go through this to try and say to people, look, this is the copying system that I'm using with these copy cutters that will allow me to make my template very neatly and precisely, and later will allow me to use this template to make more of the same shape by using this particular system. And I just wanted to go in and try and explain a little bit more about this copy cutting, these bits that we use in furniture making to replicate or make templates or copies. And I hope this particular video was helpful.